All right, in this video I'm going to go over how to remove locking lug nuts when you don't have a key. I've got two methods that work pretty well, and the only time you might encounter a difficulty with these methods if you had the rotating collar on one of these locking lug nuts, in which case you got to remove the rotating collar. But I will show you how these two methods work, and without any further ado, hit the share button and let's get started. All right, so one method using common household tools is to get a 12-point socket that barely fits over it and literally hammer it on. Of course, cheetah bars are handy. There we go. Goes to show you how good these things are. They aren't any good at all. They're not going to keep anybody from taking your tires. Now we have to get that one out. Good job. Thank you. All right, my son, the mechanical genius, is resting it on the vise, and he's going to give it the good old whackaroo here with the Thor hammer.
It's not working. Oh wait, actually we gotta move some. I really wish I had a flat one.
There we go. Here's the offending critter, and what you'll see is some marks along the edges where that 12-point socket made an indentation, but it grabbed it enough to pull it off, and that's what we wanted. On to the next one. Really simple tool. Comes with 5 removal tools and then a simple tool to get the lug nut out. I'm going to show you. We got this car recently, and it came with locking lug nuts with no key. So I'm going to try a 19mm. That's no good. So we're going to go with the 21mm. Going to give it a few taps. I think I got it.
Yeah, about this just in case.
That was being a little stubborn. But it did get it on there and gripped it. Now the way these work, they have a spiral teeth, so the further you get it on there, the harder you get it on there, the more these teeth turn and actually grab. So let's go ahead and remove this locking lug nut from here, and I'll show you how I'll do that in a second. Get that on there like that. And you'll definitely need this piece of hardened steel to remove this from the removal tool. But at least we got it out. This one was a little difficult. It slipped a few times, but it worked, so that's good. Of course, the job's not complete until you torque the replacement lug nuts on. The specs I found are from 100 to 120 Newton meters, so I've set this to 80 foot-pounds, which puts it right in the middle of that range. Shiny one. Okay. All right, so that was it. It's a short video. We've got the locking lug nuts removed off of this Subaru, replaced with regular lug nuts, and hopefully this video has been helpful to you. If it has, hit share and like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.